I will meet you in the driveway, and I will jerk, suck, and fuck you.
I have a bone to pick with the public. Okay? I'm sick of this shit. Why are we having problems as a people? No, not we. Why are y'all having problems as people shutting the fuck up in spaces that you need to shut the fuck up in? Shut up, bitch! Can we be so fucking for real? I was in school at the library. You know, that place that is commonly known that you need to shut the fuck up in. That you need to shut the fuck up in libraries. Oh my gosh. I was in my school's library because, you know, that's where, you know, you go when you need quiet and you need to read and study and shit, you know, that fucking space that you shut the fuck up in, right? A group of people. I'm at the section where there are, like, computers. I'm getting pissed off even thinking about it. Okay, listen. There is a group of people in the back. And I'm not gonna talk about the other group because they work there. They're trying to help people. I'm talking about this group of people in the back. I don't know if they work there. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. All I know is that they are talking at a volume that I can hear through my fucking headphones. My headphones have slight noise canceling abilities, okay? I can hear a little bit, but it's muffled. Why the fuck can I hear you from over here? And then they got the nerve to loudly laugh. What the fuck are you laughing about? In a library? Am I wrong? Or a library is supposed to be a spot that you shut the fuck up in? You shut up in libraries. You shut up. Like, I don't... You don't talk loudly in libraries. And then I had another time. Now, honestly, I'm gonna give this guy grace because there was a language barrier between him and the other dude. But even I can understand what the fuck he was saying. I don't fucking care. He was on the phone behind me. Of course he was asking for help. But dude, you couldn't ask for help outside? He didn't even need the computer for most of the help. You could have came back inside and finished the conversation. My thing is, you're having the entire conversation right here. Like, I just can't. I can't. But back to the group of people, right? Why are you loud? Why are you loud? Why are you so fucking loud? We are in a library. You're supposed to shut the fuck up. Not in the school's library. It's not like we're at a public library. We're all here to... It's for students and staff. Why are you loud? In a library. Laughing, giggling, having a whole fucking conversation. I was there for, I want to say, like 30, 40 minutes maybe in total. Y'all couldn't shut the fuck up for 30 to 40 minutes? That's how long their fucking conversation went, even past that. I'm already out. You're loud in a library. I've been in the library before plenty of times. I've never been that fucking loud. I've whispered with a friend in there. Why can't we whisper? What happened to whispering? Y'all can't even whisper properly anymore. Like, y'all be like, yeah, and. It's supposed to be like, yeah, and she said that. No, y'all are whispering, except there's more breath. Be like, hey. That's not a whisper, bitch. You're breathing hard! Like, shut up! Why are we here? Just to suffer. Why? Oh, and I got another one. Let me just say this right now. I know public transportation. It's public. But that don't mean be loud as fuck. I'm so sick of the people who come on the bus loudly talking on the phone. I hate talking on the phone on the bus because I know I'm about to be loud as fuck. You wait till you get off the bus or get home. I don't care if the conversation was already happening. I've hung up the phone and be like, hey, I'll talk to you later, alright? My bus is coming. Just like that. Before I get on the fucking bus. Y'all will come on, still on the phone, speakerphone, or just on the phone talking loud as fuck. Shut up! Shut up! shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. Just shut up. Or talk lower. Again, headphones. Full blast. Full blast. I'm not supposed to be hearing shit. And I'm hearing shit. I'm hearing everything. Everything. The conversation about your great aunt's diabetic knee needing to get removed, I don't give a fuck. Shut the fuck up about it, okay? Nobody wants to hear about that shit. Nobody wants to hear that shit. Come and then the conversations, like, bro, even on the bus, like, just shut up. Whispers. But no, y'all be like, yo, ha, man, that's so. Shut the fuck up. Shut up, bitch. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. Okay, yeah, public transportation. But that don't mean turn the whole fucking place into a comedy skit. We are not laughing with you. We got people turning their heads because you're so fucking loud. There are people staring at you because you're loud as fuck. We got the library. I'm here in the movie theater. And I'm not talking about the Minecraft movie. I'm talking about movies in general. The fuck are you loud during Jurassic Park for? The scary scenes ain't even up, and you sit up here talking about fucking business meetings and shit. Go to Starbucks. Go anywhere else to have that conversation, except the places where you're supposed to be quiet. You're required to shut the fuck up in these spaces. Like, have we just lost the plot? Shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. It's not hard. Not hard at all. At all. Like, there are plenty of spaces where you can be as loud as you want. Loud as you want. But you choose to do it in the spaces that you're not supposed to? On your phone loud, talking loud, laughing loud. You can snicker, be like, like, I wouldn't think anything of it. As long as you're quiet, it's fine. But you're loud. You're loud. So loud. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Just shut the fuck up. Like, I honestly can't even. I like, what happened to us? What happened? No, not us. I'm not included. What happened to y'all? What happened to y'all? Why can't you be quiet in public? This is like, why can't you just be quiet? And I didn't mean to say in public, because you could be loud in public, but when the public is in a place that is public but requires you to lower the volume, why can't y'all just do that? Why are you loud as fuck? Volume all the way up on your phone? Like, you loud as shit. In a library. You came to the library just to be on your phone? If you did, where are your headphones at? Leave the library. Have your conversation out in the hallway. No, just do that shit outside. In your car? You don't have a car? Wait till you get home. Wait till you get to a spot where, you can comfortably have a conversation without bothering others. I don't go to the library to conversate. I go to study and have a space where it is quiet. It's supposed to be so quiet that you can hear a pin drop. But no. It's so loud that you can't even hear $1 million in pennies fall to the ground. You know how fucking bad that is? What happened? What happened? Hopefully this video reminds you that you need to shut the fuck up. Or tell other people to shut the fuck up. Hopefully somebody sees this and remembers, oh yeah, that is a public space. I have been loud. Like, please just stop. Just stop. Just stop. Peace.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Stop! What are you doing?